way over here. Like way away from everybody. Then I see this big ass Ram 2500. Don't like that. Tell you, one day I'm gonna get me one of these trucks, bro. I like these Rams. But you see, I'm parked way over here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel.
Continue straight.
Today's video, man, we're gonna go up here and see if we can get this.
Take the next right onto Rhode Island
tips,
Avenue. Then turn right.
Man, take the right turn before I
now
ride by
turn
the
right.
Ride by the daggone spot, trying to do an intro. But anyway, man, we going up here. We're going up here to try to get this Valance and these muffler tips put on today, man. So
now turn right.
I can try to smoke some of y'all scat packs. Like, nah, I'll just play. But nah, man, we're gonna go up here and see if we can get this done, bro.
Turn right.
And it's done like in a cut. I'm all the way up here in College Park, Maryland. I don't never come out here, you know what I'm saying? But this is supposed to be the spot to come get everything done. So I think this is it right here. This is it. I got a couple different jumps back here. GPS said go around back. Maybe it's further. Okay, maybe it's further down here. But anyway, man, I'm gonna check back with y'all
on 251st Place.
once I get there. Let's go. Right up here in the front. Let's see what's happening. Alright, so I'm waiting for him to get here. He had to run out real quick, but if he ain't here, and I don't see no other cars here, so I guess I'm the only person here, so hopefully they can get me done today, man. These joints got to go, baby. Got to go. My car ain't too dirty, man. This joint need to probably go ahead and wipe it down a little bit once I get everything done. We're gonna see. Definitely time to change these rotors out though. You know what I'm saying? And get the power stops put on here. And my caliper's starting to, the little paint is starting to chip off the caliper, so I'm gonna get the whole kit and change that out. Little John right here probably fast as a mug. Joe got the little red wheels on it and everything. I've been waiting to get this done for a minute. Oh yeah? Yeah. How much is that?
You gotta talk to my man. He be here after 6.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you can hit him up on Instagram.
Okay. Cool. Yes, sir. Time to get this joint taken care of. For some reason, them old damn square damn fake muffler is hard to get out for some reason. I don't even know why Dodge put them damn things in the cars, bro. And as you see, they're not even functional. And the junk got these little pipes right here. They put them damn square things on there. That's crazy. I don't know why they put them fake tips on there for no reason. They don't even serve a purpose. Yeah, I'll take that with me. Yeah. Put the new joint on there. Go pop right on in there. Yes, sir.
Bring my tool. Tráeme un plano.
Hey, see, that's my boiler mufflers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Got everything. See, this joint still look fresh under here, man. Everything. Getting it done. This joint looking sweet already, man. Can't wait to hear how it sounds. Yeah, I like the way the joint stick out. It ain't gonna stick out too far, but it's sticking out just enough. Done. Ready to start this joint up, man. I'm super boosted, man. I've been waiting to get this done. Don't look way better, man. 100% better. Yes, sir. I can't wait to clean this joint up. Man, we're gonna start it up and see what this thing sound like with the new tips on it. And the joint sit out just right. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Y'all can tell me that don't look better, man. That look way better.
Got it.
Go ahead and hit it. Okay, all right. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah, she sounded like a beast, baby. This is what I wanted, man. It just sounded deep. Ain't all obnoxious. You want to shout out anything, man?
All the mufflers are custom. And we do it all.
Okay.
Even headlights too.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
My boy Eric.
Okay.
SEC, yeah. I'll put you on to it.
100% better. Bring her on out here in the light and see if you can see that jump. Yes, sir. Just got this joint looking slick now, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. This came out better than I thought, man. Dang. That's what I was saying, man. This joint, man. That's why I don't be wanting to trade this joint in so quick, bro. Every time I do something to this car, I be wanting to keep it. I'm definitely gonna keep my RT, man. I'm just gonna have to pay this joint off, then give me a Hellcat afterwards. Yes, indeed. This done to this car. I hate the way the back of it look. But now, man, y'all took care of me, for real. You want to shout anything out, man?
Glad you're happy about it, man.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Pit man, you know where we at, College Park.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for coming in, yo.
Y'all come check them out, man. Y'all want any kind of muffler work done, anything, any kind of exhaust work done, come up here and check them out, man. Custom mufflers. So, all right, guys, man, we're leaving the muffler shop, bro. I must say, I'm very happy with the outcome, man. The guys at the Custom Mufflers, man, they cool as a fan. Definitely took care of me, bro. Real good price. Y'all should definitely go see them if you need some muffler work done, like I said. They right here in College Park. Got me in, out, bruh. No problems at all. And I'm loving the way the back of my RT look, man. Cause y'all already know I've always complained about how the rear of these cars look, especially the RT. Dodge should just had all the rears looking the same. They shouldn't. I don't know what made them put them fake ass tips on these cars. It just, I don't understand that. But anyway, I'm super excited, man. If you got an RC, you definitely should think about doing this to your exhaust, man. It looks better, definitely sounds better. We're gonna see if it increases the horsepower. I doubt it, but we will see. I still need to clean the car up real good, and that way we can get a real good look at how everything looks once I clean it up. And this is just the beginning of the mods I'm gonna be doing in my car, man. This is nothing. Like I said, if I decided I was gonna keep my RT, I told you guys I was gonna start modifying my car. But I'm gonna end the video right here. It's the holidays, Christmas Eve, man, so everybody enjoy their family, man. I hope everybody have a happy holiday. And so if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.